How to vlog in 2023. Here's how I did it, or actually doing right now.
Thanks for being seated with your seatbelt
The first thing I asked myself was, what gear do I need? Do I need fancy equipment? Do I need expensive cameras? And the answer is no. In the beginning, you only need your phone. Nowadays, almost every phone have a good camera. I'm recording right now only with my iPhone camera. The second question I asked myself was, what story I gonna tell? And I came up with the idea to make my first vlog about how to create your first vlog. That's brilliant! That after you watch this video, you're gonna say, this video was about topic X. The third thing I learned was show and don't tell. Don't say stuff like, I'm gonna take an airplane to Amsterdam. Instead, show it. And I always thought my life is so normal, nobody wants to see a vlog from me. And this stopped me a long time from trying. But the truth is, every person is unique and every person has stories to tell. So don't make the same mistake and just start. If this video was helpful for you, hit the subscribe button. And I can't wait to see your first vlogs. Bye.